Welcome guys to day 2 of our fall festival. We are working on the letter L. L is for colorful leaves. All right. So if you zoom in, Miss Rachel.
On it.
We have our capital L and we have our lowercase l. Okay. So if you look, they're different. Capital, straight line down, straight across, and our lowercase is just the straight line down. So before we start, we always have to stretch our fingers out, get our fingers all nice and warm, and then we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna draw a line straight down and then straight across. Okay, straight down, straight across. Pretty easy. Lowercase, it's just the first part. Okay, so just a straight line down. Not to be confused with last month's. What does that look like that we talked about?
That also could be an I.
It could be a capital I.
Yeah.
All right. People like to confuse you just a little bit. So just remember, capital L, this could be a lowercase l or a capital I.
Yep. It's just something that eventually when you learn to read and you can do it yourself, you'll kind of know.
Okay.
It'll click.
So capital L, straight line down across, lowercase l, straight line down. Use your marker. All right, and then you're gonna draw a line, straight line down and across. Let's try that one more time. Straight line down and across. And then your lowercase, straight line down. All right, easy, straight line down. All right. If you look at the bottom, it says L is for colorful leaves. Miss Rachel.
Yes, Miss Chrissy.
Do you see any more L's?
I do. I see an L right here.
Yep.
And I see an L right here.
You got it.
Here we go.
All right. We have L is for colorful leaves. If you look up at the top, it's a nice picture of some fall leaves. My favorite are the red. What's your favorite?
Oh, I love the red ones too.
Oh, yeah?
Just
okay.
beautiful.
The yellows are pretty cool too, but the red, I just love. I love them, love them. All right. You ready for your guessing game?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Ah, that is a light bulb.
Okay. Can see me thinking.
I see the gears turning. Oh, that's so cute. That is a lion.
That's a lion. All right. How about my stick figures?
That's his leg.
His leg. His leg. All right. So your job is to draw as many things as you can that start with the letter L. See if somebody can guess what you are drawing. If you are ready and you've done this for a while, then you can start learning to write the names of the pictures that you are drawing. Okay, so we also have included with our kit Play-Doh. So you can erase your board. You can get out your Play-Doh. We have this on lockdown from a script today.
That's right.
All right, so get out your Play-Doh. You're going to use this throughout your kit. And you can roll it out. And then you can try to make the letters. Oh, mine's long.
Ooh.
All
It
right.
also starts with L. Long.
I made it too long. Way too long.
And you know it's a good day at Wiggle Worms, and we have a Play-Doh carton that is one color.
Right?
When you work with preschoolers, sometimes with Play-Doh, you get what you get. And this one it's all yellow. That's pretty cool.
They
Nothing
like to
mixed up
mix them
today.
together anyway.
Yes, they do.
And they turn them brown, black, whatever. All right, so once you're done playing with your Play-Doh, you can put it to the side and flip your board over. And if you look, we have this cool maze. All right. We have our worm. We have our wiggle worm right there coming out of the apple. And he is going to go through a little maze. Check out maybe some pumpkins. Stay away from the spider webs. little fall thing, Scarecrow. All right. So, Miss Chloe made this so that we could go a couple different ways. All right. I am going to go this way.
Okay. Follow the path.
I can do a couple of things.
Yeah.
All right, let's see where this bottom one takes us. All right, hey.
What are you doing?
Hi, my
Hey,
Scarecrow friend.
Nice job.
All right, let's see if I went this way. Man, I think, oh no.
Oh, dead end. That's a long dead end.
That is a long dead end.
Man.
So let's see. Let me back it up. Back.
Don't want to go that way.
And let's put a big X. We know we can't go that way. What if we went this way? Can we go this way? No.
You end up in a cobweb there. Don't want that one. Nope. Still at a cobweb. Don't want that.
Oh, well. All right. Well, we know I went the very fastest way the first time.
There we go.
Boom.
Made it to Scarecrow.
All right. So if you look down at the bottom, then we have all these colors. I wrote them, or Miss Chloe wrote them in the color that they are. So we have yellow and red and brown and orange. I already said this one is my favorite. Miss Rachel too. So we're just going to trace our lines and make them connect to the leaf. So we have our yellow leaf. Let's see, we have our red leaf. We have our brown leaf. Leaves. There's more than one there.
That's right.
And our orange leaf. Do you see any L's on here?
Oh, I see 2 in a row in the word yellow.
Yep, there's
Right.
2 more. I spy some more L's.
You do?
All right, and then the final one is our Scarecrow. We are going to try to make the other side of his or her face. So let's see. I'm going to start at the bottom. And Miss Chloe made the dotted line, so you can just trace over her lines to finish drawing the other side of Mr. or Mrs. Scarecrow face. Boop. That's funny. All right, let's do this eye. And then we have to finish his hat. What's his hair usually made of?
Usually it's made out of straw.
Yep. Do you know why they put scarecrows in the fields?
Well, if you think about the word scarecrow, its job has an important function. It
It's to
scares
scare
the crows.
the crows.
So that the crows and the other birds
Don't
leave
eat that
the crops
corn.
away. That's right.
They don't want to eat that corn. All right, you guys, that is the letter L. That is day 2 of our fall festival. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.